For this recipe I'm using 8 ounces of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 5 ounces of caster sugar, 5 ounces of butter, 6 ounces of currants, 6 ounces of sultanas, 2 ounces of chopped peel, 2 eggs chopped, 6 tablespoons of milk and a TARDIS apron. You may also need a workbench, a mitre saw and some old 1/4 inch deep curtain rail. Mix the flour and the spice. Beat the butter and sugar to a cream. That's butter. That's butter, not margarine. And sugar. Mix the fruit. Add the sultana. This is the currant. Be careful you don't get a shock. Beat the eggs. These are eggs, in case you've never seen them before. And milk together. Now add the flour and egg mix alternately, a little at a time. Finally, add the fruit. Put your mixture into your baking mould. Quite thick. The recipe says that you're supposed to put it in a 7-inch, 3-inch deep cake tin, but I haven't got one of those, so this is wider. This is 8 inches and it's not so deep, so it'll probably turn out all wrong. The recipe also says you have to bake it for 2.5 hours, the first hour in a moderate oven and then a slow oven. That seems a very long time. So I'm going to do it at I'm going to bake it at 160 Celsius in my fan oven. That's 180 Celsius in conventional oven, 350 Fahrenheit, gas mark 4. I think hand mixer is just as easy as using the stand mixer. Icing a cake, first attempt, marzipan. I'm using icing sugar, marzipan, rolling pin, levelers that I made myself, and a cake. which I also made myself. Put some icing sugar on your work surface to stop the marzipan's from sticking to it. Start rolling out your marzipan. These should get just the right height, 1/4 inch. Supposed to use apricot jam on this, but I haven't got that, so I need the old-fashioned beaten egg to make it stick to the cake. Lift the icing on the rolling pin. Drape over your cake. The other way up, Dozy. Smooth it out with your Ricky's trowel. Stab yourself with a knife and cut off the excess. What to do with the leftover marzipan, they don't say. Or all the beaten egg. You have to leave it for 24 hours until it's dry. You have to leave it for 24 hours until it's dry. I have very little idea what I'm doing here. I'm going to use half a pad of icing sugar. A teaspoon of lemon juice. the whites of 2 eggs. This is an egg separator I found in the cupboard. The yolks are going to make an omelette later. One. Two. Add the egg whites to the icing sugar. And to beat for 15 minutes. I've seen them put the mixer straight in on YouTube and there's icing sugar everywhere, so I'll try it this way. I think that's enough. I think. Don't know. We shall find out. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Could be better. But still, first try. Let's put some more icing sugar in what's left over. See what happens. Try icing. Problem is, I didn't think of what to write after I started. Now that is absolutely terrible. That's supposed to be a B and a P. I don't know what that is. Still, could have been worse. No, it couldn't. But that's it done. Ready for throwing away. Bye bye, cakey. One birthday cake. Not great, but not a complete disaster. Close though. Let's try the cake. Okay. Shall we try a piece? Okay. And that's a 2-star on the yummy scale. Not bad, but not great.
And Edinburgh. This train has 9 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 5.